The situation in Canada becoming worse day by day. Finally, Immigration Minister Mark Miller told that point which Canadian immigrants were waiting. Technically, Mark Miller was telling 10,000 people having work permits will be cancelled or will be expired in 2025. When media person talked with Mark Miller that how these people who are expired work permit, expired tourist visa holder, expired student visa holders, they will be deported. Mark Miller told that these people will go themselves without any border security force. This was very tricky answer, and media people were confused that which point Mark Miller is talking about. How people will leave themselves. Then later on, reports came 30,000 deportation letter issued by IRCC to the immigrant, but still there was no solution that how they will leave. But this is breaking news which I am giving. When they issued deportation letter, people were criticizing that issuing a deportation letter is not solution of the problem. Kindly tell us how you will deport these individuals from Canada. But Mark Miller finally did magic, and now media understand why he was talking that they will go by themselves. Mark Miller told that we will fine 12,000 Canadian dollars when you will live by illegal way in Canada. I mean, your visa will be expired. So if you need to live by illegal way, your visa is expired and you are not going back, you need to go back to home country. And if you will not do this thing, you need to pay $12,000 as a fine, and you will get 5 years ban on reapplying Canadian visa, and definitely authorities will deport you as well. So three punishment Mark Miller told. Number one, fine $12,000. Number two, you need to go back to the home country. And number three, this is a very significant point. You are 5 years banned. I was the first person in the YouTube who was talking that Canada may put ban on expired visa individuals, illegal individuals, and deportees. I mean, who they the people who got deportation letter, and that may be that may be in the next days, in the coming days. And now this is the time to announce same point which I was talking about. So finally, Mark Miller announced that if you will not leave Canada, we will deport you, but not we will deport you only. We will fine $12,000. Now I will analyze this news in my own way, and please be stitch and you understand. And you understand, if you are immigrant, please get true counseling, get true benefits by YouTube channels, so that you can able to resolve your immigration problem. First point is very simple. If you are closer to your expired visa, you need to try to extend that visa right 3 months before. This is the point which people did not know, and they just trying to get the extension of the work permit when they are very closer to expiry. And when IRCC will not extend your work permit, so definitely you will become illegal. And then same penalty which I am talking about in this clip, mean you need to pay fine, will be deported, and you will have 5 years ban. The point, when your visa is expired, what you can do, what you have option, I will discuss later on. But still I am talking about the first step. When you are on student visa holders, when you are tourist visa holder, when you are skilled worker visa holders, your visa is expiring 3 months before, and you need to try to extend your visa by any way. There are a lot of lawyers are there, a lot of options you have. You can hire good lawyer as well. He can guide you, and hopefully you will be able to extend your visa. Sorry. Next point is that this is very significant. When your visa is expired, what you will do? I think you must understand this point carefully. If your visa is expired and you think that you need to stay in Canada, I say you must not stay in Canada. I am giving you much precious point. If you want to stay essentially in Canada, you need to try 3 4 months before expiry of your visa. You must go to expensive lawyer, you must go to good lawyers, and they will keep you there in Canada by any way, because they had a lot of options. They are lawyer, they understand the Canadian legal problems. But if you are talking that you will stay with expired visa and you will be able to stay permanently in future also in Canada, it's now impossible. The lawyers cannot do anything because this is the law now. Lawyers has to follow the Canadians law. And Canadians law, what is the Canadians law now, which Mark Miller straightforward announced, that if you will live without visa even single day or 2 day, you will be fined 12,000 Canadian dollars and you will be deported back. So which option you have if your visa is expired? In my opinion, but you can consult with any lawyer as well, you must leave Canada instantly, and you must inform IRCC in written form that as my visa is expired, and according to agreement, when my visa is expired, I was bound to leave Canada, so I am going back to my home country following rules of respected country IRCC and respected country Immigration Department IRCC and respected country Canada. This letter to IRCC, this email to IRCC, might be you get some answer as well. This letter will be your future in the coming days. Then go back to your India, go back to your own country, wherever you are living. Then get back to Canada by using once again your past experience and by using this letter which you have written to IRCC. You will be able to come again. Otherwise, you will be banned for 5 years. Thank you.